Understanding, not to be mentioned, unpacking an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, not to be mentioned. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's incredibly useful once you understand how to use it correctly. Our goal is to make sure you leave this video feeling confident about incorporating it into your conversations and writings. Let's get started. Not to be mentioned refers to something that is considered too sensitive, private, or irrelevant to be discussed openly. It's often used in situations where bringing up a certain topic could cause discomfort, breach privacy, or simply because it's deemed unnecessary information for the context. This phrase helps in maintaining social etiquette and respecting boundaries. 1. In conversation, when someone says something is not to be mentioned, they're signaling that the topic should be avoided. For example, if a friend has gone through a difficult breakup, they might say, "Let's not talk about my ex. That's not to be mentioned." 2. In writing, this phrase can also be used in written communications, such as emails or letters, to indicate that certain information should not be disclosed. For example, the details of the contract are not to be mentioned outside of this discussion. 3. Hints and subtlety. Sometimes, not to be mentioned is used to imply the importance or sensitivity of something without directly stating it. It adds a layer of subtlety to the communication, allowing the speaker to navigate sensitive topics carefully. Regarding the surprise party for Julia, the plans are not to be mentioned to her under any circumstances. The financial issues the company faced last year are not to be mentioned during the interview. I appreciate your advice, but my personal life is not to be mentioned in our professional discussions. It's important to note that the appropriateness of using not to be mentioned can vary depending on the cultural context. In some cultures, being open and direct is valued more than maintaining privacy or subtlety. Therefore, understanding the cultural nuances of where you are speaking or writing is crucial to effectively using this phrase. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, not to be mentioned. Remember, it's a powerful tool for navigating conversations and writings with sensitivity and respect for privacy. We hope this video has been informative and helps you communicate more effectively in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.